Ever feel like you're stuck in the same cycle? The same struggles, the same excuses, and the same results? It's like you're on a treadmill, running but not getting anywhere. You wake up each day hoping for a change, but by the end of the day, you're back to square one. You tell yourself that things will be different tomorrow, but when tomorrow comes, it's just a repeat of today. The frustration builds up, and you start to feel hopeless. You wonder if you'll ever break free from this cycle. You're staring at your phone, feeling frustrated, maybe even hopeless. You scroll through social media, seeing others living the life you want, and it only makes you feel worse. You think, why can't that be me? You tell yourself, tomorrow I'll start. You make plans, set goals, and promise yourself that things will be different. But when tomorrow comes, those plans and goals seem too daunting, and you push them to the next day. But tomorrow turns into next week turns into next month, and before you know it, another year has passed and you're still in the same place. The cycle continues and you feel more stuck than ever. Next month, next year, time keeps moving, but you feel like you're standing still. The seasons change, but your situation doesn't. You start to lose hope that things will ever change. You hit snooze, skip workouts, procrastinate on your goals. Sound familiar? It's a vicious cycle that's hard to break. You know what you need to do, but taking that first step feels impossible. Here's the truth. You're not lazy, you're scared of failure, scared of discomfort, scared of stepping out of your comfort zone. It's easier to stay where you are, even if you're not happy. Scared of who you'd have to become, but guess what? You can break free. You have the power to change your life. It won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Imagine the freedom of living the life you've always wanted. Step 1. Stop waiting to feel ready. You never will. Ready is a myth. Get up early, start working out. Focus on your goals. Take small steps every day. Each step brings you closer to the life you want. Step 2. Trade motivation for discipline. Motivation is fleeting, but discipline is reliable. Create a routine and stick to it. Make a plan and follow through, even when you don't feel like it. Feelings won't save you, actions will. It's the small, consistent actions that lead to big changes. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Create it with your actions. When motivation fades, discipline remains. It's the key to transformation. It's what separates those who succeed from those who don't. Discipline is your best friend on this journey. It's the key to transformation. Imagine this: your future self, confident, proud, living a life of purpose and fulfillment. It's not just a dream, it's a possibility. And it starts with the choices you make today, walking towards a successful, fulfilling life. That's your potential. That's your future. The only question is, will you take the first step? Will you choose to break free from the cycle and create the life you want? Will you take the first step? It's the hardest part, but it's also the most important. Once you take that first step, the rest will follow. Your future self is waiting. The time is now. Your future self is waiting. The time is now. Don't let fear hold you back. Embrace the challenge and take that first step towards your new life. Stop waiting, start doing, transform your life. It's within your reach. One step at a time, you can create the life you've always dreamed of. One step at a time. Each step is progress. Each step is a victory. Your future awaits. Are you ready to take that step?